obstacle. This is the optical bench of 2 meter long. This is the sodium source, which is monochromatic source, sleet, and this is the stand for mounting the cylindrical obstacle, and this is eyepiece. This is cylindrical obstacle. You have to mount this cylindrical obstacle on the stand and obtain the fringes. Initially, open the sleeve and see that slit and obstacle both are touching to each other. Light is incident on the cylinder and see the shadow on the screen. This is the shadow of wire. Focus this shadow in eyepiece. This shadow of wire entering in eyepiece, then you will get the fringes. Reduce the slit width. You will find the shadow in the eyepiece. नको
खाली की थोडं
नाही दिसत ना. हां हां थांब थांब येत आहे त्याच्यामध्ये काय येत आहे. घे अजून पुढे त्याला टच कर कॅमेरा टच कर त्याला. तर ते चालू आहे रे. देन ॲडजस्ट द टिल्टिंग स्क्रूज. You will get the fringes. Start kar. You will find the fringes like this. These are the dark fringes. Bright, dark, bright, dark, bright. You have to adjust the cross wire, the cross section of cross wire, such that passing the fringes through the cross section. So adjust leftmost fringe or first fringe, and you have to take reading with the help of scale. This is the eyepiece scale. With the help of this scale, you have to take the reading. Here it is written 30, 20, 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. For our convenience, consider this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is the main scale, and here this is 0. This line you have to see where it is completing the reading with the main scale. So here, which reading is completed by this main scale is main scale reading, plus this is the circular scale. This circular scale, here it is 0, and which reading it is coinciding or very close, that is the circular scale reading. On this circular scale reading, whatever number is here, for example, this is 65. So you have to multiply by least count to this 65. So least count of this scale is 0.0005. That is 0.0005 main scale reading plus this circular scale reading into least count gives the total reading. For first fringe, you have to read the reading and record the first reading. For second fringe, you have to read the reading. For third fringe, you have to read the reading. And fourth fringe, you have to read the reading. The difference between two consecutive fringes is the fringe width. So this is the fringe width Sn minus Sn minus 1. This fringe width, it should be similar because the gap between the two consecutive fringes is same, though it is not seen here. And take mean of all these three, you will find the mean fringe width. Record the distance from this slit to eyepiece. This distance is capital D. This capital D you have to substitute in formula. Lambda is wavelength that we have to find out in this experiment of monochromatic source, lambda equal to SD upon capital D, where S we got from this table, lambda equal to this S into small d. This small d is the diameter of wire that we have to find out from this table. That is reading for left edge, reading for right edge, and difference between these two is diameter of the wire. Substitute this value in this formula. You will get lambda equals to, this is value of S, this is value of diameter, divided by capital D, that is the distance between slit and eyepiece, and calculate the lambda. This lambda for sodium source is 5893 angstrom unit.